My video tutorial will provide you with information and with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Tyson. Tyson is a new ransomware. It targets many Windows computers. This ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. Before the ransomware's attack, we were able to open our files without troubles, but very soon, because of the ransomware, all our files are encrypted. The ransomware changes the desktop background into this one. It also appends this Tyson extension to the file names, so it's not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note titled as decryption instructions. Briefly, it tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security program such as Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. You will see the green download Combo Cleaner button. So download it, install the program, and then start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively identify and then effectively eliminate all other types of threats which might still or possibly stealthily remain on the system. So initially the software is in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So you need to click on the start scan button. The software will then first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the start scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.